First thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna jump into my laptop right here. I'm gonna share my screen with you. Give me a few seconds. All right, cool. Now I'm sharing my screen with you. I'm gonna go ahead and play you a video. I'm gonna play you two videos. This first one right here was used, I used an iPhone 13 to record this video. Really decent lighting. As you guys can see, the contrast, the video came out good. I'm using Snappic. Solid video. At the quality, the guest was very, very happy with the quality. And this is, like I said, a standard iPhone 13 using Snappic 60 frames per second with good lighting, okay? The next video that I'm about to play for you right now is an iPhone 14, also shot at nighttime using the same amount of lights. And as you guys can see, this is an iPhone 14. So that's right. I went from an iPhone 13 and experimented with the iPhone 14. And that iPhone 14 has now found its place back in the little box and sent back to Apple, because I'm not going to be spending close to $800 on a phone that does not offer a big leap in quality when it comes to video. And so this is something that I want to cover with you guys, because I mean, at the end of the day, we are spending a ton of money on these devices that are really gonna basically push our production forward. And so what I mean by that is, if we're gonna invest in an iPhone, we wanna make sure that we're getting the most bang for our buck. Now, say for example here, I'll continue sharing my screen here with you guys. Am I sharing my screen with you guys here? Yep, I'm sharing my screen here with you guys. If we go to Apple and we go to the tab to check out the iPhones, and I want you guys to follow me here. I'm gonna go to compare, and I'm gonna pull up, let's pull up some models. We'll pull up the 13, that's what I've been using for a while now. Now before the 13, let's be honest guys, I was using an iPhone 12 mini. Man, the videos that I was recording on my iPhone 12 mini were still dope. In fact, do I have any older videos? I don't wanna dig around too much, because I don't wanna keep you guys stuck to your screens too much. I'd rather you guys be out there in nature, breathe some fresh air, listening to the breeze going through the trees kind of thing. But for now, let's go ahead and just get a little techie. Let's geek out a little bit.